Hello, everybody.
Welcome to our episode of Nachos.
Yeah, this episode we're gonna do nachos. So stay tuned and enjoy.
Okay, so we're gonna make a cheeseless nacho cheese. So what you'll need is an onion, tomatoes, carrots, a lemon, garlic, jalapenos that are pickled, salt, paprika, and then all the other ingredients to build your nachos.
So she's gonna start cutting up the carrots first. And next we are going to cut up the potatoes.
And they don't need to be pretty, they just need to be roughly cut.
Now she's gonna cut up some onions, as you see. Alright, so now we're gonna cut up some tomatoes and dice them up. Now, as you see, she is doing the avocado, and this is for the guacamole. Okay, so the total ingredients inside of this bowl is 1 cup of diced tomatoes, 1/4 cup of diced carrots, and 1/3 cup of diced onions. Water that's been boiling.
And let them cook until they're tender. Your remaining main ingredients for the cashew cheese is cashews. So you need 1/2 cup of soaked or boiled cashews. Alright, so you're going to take your boiled vegetables and put them into a blender. Along with 1 1/2 cups of water from the boiled water that you have here.
One and 1/4 of water from your boiling pot. Add it into the mix in your blender.
Liquefy that down for a second. And then you want to add your garlic cloves, 2, your raw cashews that's been soaked, your paprika, your salt, your pickled jalapenos, and the juice of 1/2 of a lemon. Alright. And we're going to just start the blender and mix that all together. And that's what it looks like. Thick, creamy cashew cheese. Alright, so this is our fresh made guac. We put a little bit of diced tomatoes, diced fresh onions, fresh cilantro, lime juice, and of course our 4 avocados, and just mush it all together. Alright, this is our finished product. So we just put the cheese on top with a little bit of corn and diced tomatoes, and we used a little bit of spinach and lettuce on top with our guacamole, house-made guacamole on top. And you can do however you want. You can add black beans, or you can add refried beans, or anything else that you would like to add to your nachos. And that's the finished product.
Alright, so that's our nachos.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe if you haven't. And we'll see you next time.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.